This is a video on a January day of the Atriplex community of Vila Verde, and it is simply stunning. For a moment we've got beautiful blue skies up ahead, and we've just been looking at one of the apartments that we have for sale here. It's a beautiful penthouse, top of the world there, prominent balconies, absolutely lovely. Coming down through the lifts or the stairs, you come down to this walkway. Everything is key code access, so completely private to the Atriplex community. My company at the moment is the Sparrows. So, what have we got? Got a gorgeous children's playground here. Then the pool, and the pool has got a brand new liner. Brand new. So it's absolutely perfect. Look at that. Adult pool and a children's pool. Lovely bougainvillea. And we're looking back there towards the apartment. Just idyllic. Lovely grassed areas too. Now, it's been a bit of a cloudy couple of days here on Sale, so no one around the pool at the moment. But there certainly will be later to enjoy. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous place to relax.